Yay! What you guys got?
Looks like
The remote control.
You go bye-bye?
Dawson.
Okay, well, we're going. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Come on, sis. Let's go bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Get in the street. Daddy will help you get in the car.
We need the remote.
Here you are. Thank you. Oh, my goodness.
Can Grandma have kisses?
Oh, keep going.
Can I have kisses?
Jaycie, can you give her a kiss? Any more kisses?
Give no, a real one.
Give her a real kiss.
Love you, Dawson.
Take it.
Dawson.
Kisses.
Dawson.
Dawson.
I thought it was funny how Kent says life. Did you notice that when he was talking at the funeral?
How does he say it?
He said that we probably because we just
Life.
speaking a different
Life.
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 You guys,
He's moving.
Right.
Life. Life. Life.
You jumping. He's splashing in the water.
Come on, bud.
Go
Follow
on.
the leader.
Bye-bye, Dawson.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Hi.
Oh, he wants something else. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
She was on the kiss.
What are you doing? Is the water dripping on your head?
That's a shampoo. We can wash your hair. That's right. Here, do that.